Welcome to the Lazy and Lock channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber as usual, thank you for your subscription and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is very festive because today is December 25th, 2021. So if you're watching this on Christmas or even past Christmas, I just want to take this time to wish all of you a happy holidays if you partake in the holiday. And I hope you all enjoy yourselves and just be around family and friends and try to make the most of this holiday season, because as we know, it's been pretty tough and a lot of people didn't make it to this point in the year. So definitely enjoy, take the time off and relax and prepare yourself for the following upcoming 2022 year. So a little update on my hair. Those of you who have been following me, you know that I've stopped interlocking my hair, so I now retwist my hair. The last retwist I did use crazy glue. So an update on that is my hair is still doing absolutely fantastic. There hasn't been any damage that I can see yet. Hopefully it stays that way. I believe it'll stay that way, but we shall see. Currently right now, 5.5 years locked. So this is a month and a half of me not washing my hair, and everything is still looking pretty good. Everything is looking pretty good. As far as any damage on my locks, I do have one lock here that the postpartum shedding has, let's see, the postpartum shedding has started taking its effect. I don't know where it's at, but it's very, very thin. I wanted to show you all. Oh, this is not it. It's somewhere in here, but my postpartum shedding has taken effect badly on that one lock, so I'm probably just gonna let it go. But for the most part, this is what my locks is looking like. So in today's video, I wanted to do somewhat of a swatch test with these hair paint waxes that I came across. I know there's a lot of hair paint waxes on YouTube, but I kind of want to just do a swatch test because I kind of went crazy buying these hair paint waxes. So let me just give you all the background story. Target sells hair paint wax, right? Target sells hair paint wax, but the hair paint wax is in the textured section of Target. So if you're around a demographic that goes to Target which has textured hair, then more than likely you might run out of the product. So I got extremely lucky because I went out of town, and when I went out of town, I was in a predominantly non-urban area, predominantly Caucasian. So when I went to the Target, I saw that the textured hair section was completely full with all products. So I went and I looked and I saw a whole rack of hair paint wax. And I was just like, oh snap, I gotta take this opportunity to grab all these hair paint waxes because I don't ever see them at my local Target. So what I did was I kind of just brought the shelf out, and I'm going to be testing these hair paint waxes with you today. So I got a few colors and I got two different brands. The two brands that I got is the As I Am hair paint wax and then the ORS Curls Unleashed. So the ORS Curls Unleashed, they didn't have many color options, but the As I Am, they had a plethora of color options. So I'm not gonna go through all of them, but I'm just gonna go through the ones that I did have. I know there's probably some more online that you could get on Amazon or whatnot, but I kind of like my stuff like right now and then. So you can also get these hair paint waxes on Amazon, but because Target had them in stock, I was just like, let me just take it. And I had to kind of buy like two of each color because my hair is long. So in the event that I wanted to actually apply this throughout my whole hair, one of these jars is not going to do the trick. So let me just go through the colors that I have. Let's start off with the ORS Curls Unleashed. So I was able to get I was able to get 4 colors, I think. Yeah, I was able to get 4 colors. So the first color that I got was the golden bars. So this was the first one I got. This is what it looks like. So I got the golden bars. I got 2 of these hair paint waxes. The next one I got was the Gray Galaxy. So this is like a silver. That's the next color I got. And then I got the sangria hair color. So I would say this is more like a burgundy color. Looks like a red, like a burgundy red. So those were the colors that I got from ORS. Let me just make sure that I don't... Yeah, so those were the colors I got from ORS. Now, the next hair paint wax brand that I got was the As I Am hair paint wax. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to start off with the green. So I got the green of the As I Am. I got 2 of those. I got the purple, Passion Purple, that's the name of it. I got 2 of those. This is the bold gold, so this is like the gold color. I got 2 of those. And then I got the blue, cool blue. I got 2 of those. And then lastly, I got the hot red. Now this must be a favorite of the brand because I was only able to get one. They only had one left and I was just like, I'm gonna get it. So what I'm gonna do is, because it's Christmas, I'm going to swatch for you guys the green and the red today. But as you can see, I have many other colors that I will be putting in my hair. So I probably won't swatch those, but in future videos, I'll probably have the wax in my hair so you could see what it looks like when it's applied. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you want to see what those colors, other colors look like. But in today's video, I'm just gonna be doing the red and the green. I might do a gold or a silver, I don't know, but for now we're just gonna swatch these. I'm just gonna give you all like a review of everything from like when you're gonna get it, the appeal, everything of that nature. So I actually like the, I mean, it's cool. I didn't know like what it would be once I saw it. I was kind of like, I kind of only wanted to deal with the hair paint wax brand, but of course there's other imitations that come out. So presentation wise, it looks good. It was $7.99 at the time that I bought it, so I don't know if the prices went up or down, but it was pretty affordable. Again, if you have longer locks like I do, you're gonna have to buy 2, depending on if you want to saturate your whole hair or if you want to just do highlights. I'm probably just going to be doing highlights with my hair paint wax. I'm probably not going to be putting it all in my hair because y'all know I don't like washing my hair. And I think this probably would transfer a lot, but we're going to see. So when you open it up, it does have a protective cap on. And it's pretty decent. So this is what it looks like. Once you take it off, this is what it looks like inside. Now, if I had to smell it, it smells good. It doesn't stink. It reminds me of like Play-Doh, like a Play-Doh smell. You know, playing with Play-Doh back in the day. Like a Play-Doh with slime, like that type of smell. It doesn't smell bad at all. So the smell is good. So now I'm going to do a texture test. So the texture of it is it feels liquidy. It doesn't feel thick, so it feels pretty good. It seems very pigmented, so that's good because it feels liquidy, but it also seems like it holds good pigment. So yeah. So far, so good. So without further ado, let's just do the swatch test. So let's see. Okay. So I'm just going to be putting it around the face of my locks. So I'm just going to take a clump. I'm not going to use no gloves or anything like that. And I'm just going to be applying it to around my face. And I think, okay, y'all, see, this is the lock that postpartum has taken effect on. I'm just gonna clip it, but that's my postpartum lock. I still have been going through postpartum, and my locks have been acting accordingly. So I'm now applying the wax. It applies very easily. Like, as you can see, it's not hard to apply this wax at all. It actually goes on very well, to be honest. I didn't wet my hair, so I didn't put any spray water bottle. I just went straight from the jar to my hair. And so far, it's pretty good. It's very pigmented, as you can see. So that's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna put this to the side, put it up, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. And I'm just going like little sections at a time. Now, you might want to put this on your whole hair, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't think I'll ever do it because, like I told y'all, I don't like to wash my hair. I think the last time I washed my hair, I'm like a month. And this is like a month of me. A month of me, like, that's not even long at all. I go so much longer. So, all right, I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. And then I'm gonna start on the red. So the green is very funky. I like it a lot. It stands out. And on your hands, it will leave a tinge. I'm not gonna lie, it will leave a tinge, but I'm gonna wash it to show you all how fast it probably comes out. Now, I do notice that here I have some bunching on my locks, which is fine. So I'm just gonna massage those areas because I don't want there to be a clump of wax in that area. So this is what it looks like. So this is the green. And it looks cool. I mean, it's cool. It's not too much, but it's cool. So this is what it looks like. The green. All right. Now, I should wash my hands first, but I'm just gonna go straight in with the red. So we're gonna do the red now. The red smells a little bit different, and also the red is not as liquidy. It doesn't appear as liquidy. It smells a little bit different, but still kind of the same. And the consistency is definitely more pigmented, if you can see that. Definitely more pigmented. It's not liquidy, it's more thick. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna go on. So in real time, let's just start. So I'm gonna do it on this side now. Woo. Yeah, this is definitely more. Yeah, you can see that bold red. Like, that pops. I could see why people probably went for the red. This pops. Like, yeah, this pops. Oh yes, it pops. Crazy. Okay, so I'm liking the red for sure. Like, I'm liking the red. The red, yeah, the red pops. It pops. It pops. It pops. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, come through, red. Come through. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. So I hope y'all all are enjoying this. I've been sitting on these waxes for like 5-6 months. No, not that long. Like 3 months I had these waxes, and I did not get a chance to shoot a video, so I'm like, no, I'm gonna do it today for y'all on Christmas Day. Hopefully I could get it uploaded for y'all as well. But yeah, this is definitely a nice pigment. Like, wow. Yeah, guys, so I would swatch everything. Let me put some green over here. I would swatch everything for you all, but it's just a lot of colors I have. So I just want y'all to wait or subscribe and see the other colors, how it looks on my hair, because it'll just be a lot to do in this video. And I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to give y'all a sense of what the colors look like. Like I said, I know there is a lot of YouTube videos out there showing hair paint wax on SISTERLOCKS, but I got way too much hair to do one color on my whole hair, so I'll just be doing highlights and streaks and showing y'all what it looks like. So this one I'm trying to do like a red at the bottom and a green at the top. Let me put some more green at the top. And again, this is to be festive for the holidays. You know, you got the Christmas tree in the back. You got the red, right? So just want to kind of be festive with it. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. So so let me get up close. So the pigment is good, y'all. It's really, really good. Like, I'm so happy that I stacked up on those wet hair paint waxes, because it's good. It's good. Like, wow. So this is what it looks like. I think the pigment holds very, very well. This is what my hands look like after I put it in. I just went straight from one color to the other. And let me show y'all what it looks like washing it off. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna show y'all how easy, and tell y'all how easy it comes off. Okay, so I'm back. I just washed my hands and the color came off pretty well. I just used dishwashing liquid, so I didn't just use hand soap. So I don't know what it's like to use hand soap, but if you use dishwashing detergent, it will come right off. See? So it's off. It's off. But yeah, you also, this is what the color looks like. Hopefully you found this informative. If you was thinking about using hair paint wax on your locks, just know you can use it. I'll give you all an update on how it washes out. I think it's gonna wash out pretty good. I'll give you an update on how it transfers, if it transfers. But definitely stay tuned for the other colors that I'm gonna be using. I'm also gonna be reviewing the ORS brand as well. So just subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Keep updated with me on my lock journey. I am going on 6 years being locked. I do some very interesting things here with my locks on this channel. I also do random giveaways. Happy holidays, y'all, and be safe.